Hi guys, this is Miss Randall, your science teacher, and this video is going to show you how to make up work if you're absent. Maybe you have to be out of school because you're sick or on vacation, and you can still get stuff made up from home, especially now that we have Chromebooks. So here is the home page of my class. You can see here's my email. If you need to send me an email, you can ask me questions and stuff. Here is the disclosure, which is all about the class. And you can find proficiency scales by clicking on modules. That's right there. This calendar is the way you can find out what we're doing in class on a day you miss. For example, if you were absent on Monday the 31st, you would click on starters. And then you could still do the starter. I gotta leave student view so I can show you what it looks like. Here we go. You can still do the starter even from home. And this is the starter that we do in class. You can see the starter questions by clicking on this link here. It's in this skinny little strip at the bottom, so you can make it bigger by clicking on that link. There you go. And then you type the date and you type your answers. Again, here is the link to the questions. So you can still do starters from home. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back to the calendar again. Back to student view. Okay, so that was the starter that I just did from home, right? And then here is what we would have done in class that day. But you can't exactly make up what we did in class. So this is a way to make it up and learn the exact same thing. So it says, if you were absent for this day, watch the variables video and complete the variables assignment. So I'm going to click here on variables video. This is me teaching the exact same thing in the video as I taught to my students in class. And then I believe if I click next, here it is, the variables assignment. And you can't see it because I'm in student view. Let me go back. Here we go. So this is the assignment that would make up that day. So it's not the same assignment we did that day, but it'll help you practice the same concepts. A lot of the times it will be the same assignment. So for example, on Tuesday, you would do the starter if you were absent, and then you would do the Gobstopper lab, which is the same assignment we did in class. The only difference is I don't expect you to have the supplies for it, so I put a video here. This isn't Gobstoppers, it's candy canes, but it's the same idea. Instead of Gobstoppers dissolving in water, in liquids, it's candy canes dissolving in liquids. So you can watch this video, and with the video, you can still answer these questions, the same ones that we answered in class. So here's the assignment that you would do. We did this in class, but you would do it at home if you were absent. And then after you've answered all the questions, you would go back here to the assignment page, and mine doesn't have it, but yours will have a blue submit button right here. And then the way you know it has submitted is after you click the blue submit button, it'll say submitted at, and it'll say the date and time. So that is how you make stuff up. I'll show you again. So if I go to the home page on Canvas, let me do student view really quick. Homepage on my Science Canvas course, then all of these links lead to either the same exact assignment we did in class and you can still turn it in from home, or it might be to a different assignment that is easier to do from home but still covers the same topics. So the calendar would be the way to do that, and the calendar is just on the home page on Canvas. I hope that was helpful, and if you have more questions, here's my email so you can send me an email. See you soon.